Section 3, how to interlink fire alarms with a remote control. The pairing method for the remote control is the same as that for the fire alarms, but the remote control only has an LED flash without sound. Make sure each alarm and remote control are switched on before operation. The remote control uses a replaceable 23A, 12-volt battery. If the red light flashes, it indicates that the battery needs to be replaced. Choose one fire alarm to be your main device. Press and hold the test button, wait for green LED flash 3 times, and then release button immediately. Then the red LED will flash rapidly. This means the alarm will be in pairing mode for 60 seconds. Start again if you don't see flashing red LED. Next, choose remote control to start pairing. Press and hold the test button, wait for LED flash 2 times and release button immediately. Then the remote LED will flash 3 times. This means alarm has linked successfully to the main device. To test, press once on the remote or fire alarm. All the alarms shall flash and beep for 10 seconds. We recommend that you test once a week to ensure the fire alarms are in full working order.